There's something magical about clear, cool water. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the recipe that I use to create the illusion of crystal clear, tropical, cool water. In order to create the illusion of the horizon, because water's flat and shiny, or flat relative to your eye and shiny, we have to reflect the sky. So we're using our summer sky recipe. And now I'm going to paint the surface of the water close to the horizon, and that will be this colour here, which is phthalo blue, French ultramarine and white. Okay, and add neat phthalo blue to that colour. Put that in a band there and just gradually soften that, and that should create the illusion of the water receding off into the distance. So now we're going to go to, again, neat phthalo blue with a tiny bit of white in it. When I put this colour in, I want to clean my brush because I'm going to start adding yellows in here, and if any yellow hits the French ultramarine, it's going to go a boggy green colour. So I want to keep the phthalo blue and the cadmium yellow light, which is the next colour I'm adding to that, and I should end up with a greeny blue colour like that, which I'm going to push up into the phthalo blue like that. Now I'm going to add some white and some cadmium yellow light. So what we're doing now is suggesting that we're coming into shallow water. I'll paint a band of that there. And the theory is, as we add cadmium yellow light, we're diminishing the watercolour and adding some sand colour. Again, more white. Cad yellow light. And we end up with that lovely kind of lime shallow watercolour. So I'm going to create the illusion of that lovely pattern that gets cast on the sand by the sunlight and the surface of the water. But the recipe that I'm going to use is the same one that we used to paint tropical water. And as you can see, this colour here is the one I'm using to do the refraction here. And then this colour here will be the one that I use to do the refraction here. So I've got this colour here now, and I'm going to So in order to create the idea of refraction here in this even really shallow water, I've just added white and cad yellow light to that again. Come right down here into the shallows. So I used this background colour for the refraction here, this background colour for the refraction here, and made up another shallower watercolour for the refraction there. More white, more cad yellow light. And now we're going to create the illusion of the surface of the water by doing the same thing. So I'm just going to suggest that there's some waves here by reflecting the sky. Now you of course would use a lot more finesse than I'm doing here, but that's just to show you the recipe for the reflection of the summer sky on the surface of the water.